Terraform Stacks conceptual model. A stack creates a deployment boundary above individual Terraform components. The stack defines which components participate in a coordinated deployment. Components remain independently authored configurations. The stack layer provides orchestration between those configurations. Orchestration reduces manual coordination across multiple infrastructure domains. A component represents a single infrastructure responsibility. Networking and application infrastructure should evolve independently. Independent components reduce the blast radius of configuration changes. Ownership boundaries make reviews more focused. Focused reviews reduce unintended infrastructure modifications. A deployment creates an instance of a stack. The same component structure can support multiple environments. Deployment inputs determine environment-specific behavior. Shared structure reduces duplication between environments. Environment differences become explicit deployment data. Components should receive environment differences through inputs. Inputs separate configuration variation from component logic. Component logic remains consistent across deployments. Consistent logic reduces environment drift. Reduced drift improves deployment predictability. Components often generate data required by other components. Outputs publish that data to the stack layer. Consumers reference outputs instead of hard-coded values. Reference outputs stay aligned with deployed infrastructure. Alignment reduces stale dependency information. Terraform analyzes references between components. Output consumption creates dependency relationships. Dependency relationships form a deployment graph. The graph determines deployment order automatically. Automatic ordering reduces human sequencing errors. On a submarine, operators do not trust remembered equipment status. Procedures reference authoritative system indicators before action. Terraform stacks apply the same principle. Components consume published outputs instead of remembered identifiers. The dependency graph becomes the authoritative source of deployment states. A workspace selects a different state instance. A stack coordinates multiple infrastructure components. Workspaces focus on state separation. Stacks focus on deployment orchestration. The two features solve different operational problems.